Good morning, everyone. So, a bit different maths today. Reason being that the upload failed on Friday and also for today for maths. Very odd. But I will sort that out and up and running again tomorrow. There's no issues whatsoever. I can do that, and fingers crossed, I'll let you know if there's any changes. Okay, so today, as a bit of a recap, because I'm having an argument with the server, so I can't get the information off about today's lesson. So today I thought we'd do a really good recap on angles, because I know we all enjoy angles. So we're talking about acute angles, which are the small cute ones. We're talking about right angles, which are always correct. Can't find the camera. Always, we use the side of a piece of paper to work that out. Nice straight perpendicular line. And we're also doing obtuse angles, which are anything from right angles all the way to a straight line. So anything that will fit against a straight line or less to all the way to right angles. Okay. So in order to make this a little bit more interesting, I thought it would be good. Hang on, I'll just share this with you. So I've been looking at Kandinsky. Okay, the Kandinsky, can't say it, was a very famous Russian painter who, or artist, who did lots of paintings in the abstract movement. Okay, so the reason I thought of him was because he's done this one painting or piece of art. It's called Composition 8. And it's got lots of lines on it. It's got other shapes on it as well, but it's got lots of lines that overlap. And that got me thinking, well, that's a way that we could show what we know, our knowledge. So what I've done is I've found a big piece of paper like this. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you off screen share so you can see it in its full glory. So I've just got a plain piece of paper and I've started drawing lines on it. Now, I've already started, and you can do it any which way. And the piece of paper can be as big or as small as you like. But make sure you get some perpendicular lines in there and some parallel lines maybe. And so all over the place. Now, in the corner, you're going to do a nice square with one colour. 2 colours, 3 colours. Okay, so you guessed it, we have got right angle and obtuse. Now, you can also write in there the angles that we're talking about. So obtuse angle, for example, is 90 degrees up 91 degrees, okay, to 180 degrees. Okay, and you can look those up. So right angle has to be 90 degrees, and acute angle is from 1 degree to 89 degrees. Okay, so you can look those up and you can write them down. So once you've done that, you've got the basis to start your artwork, but also your maths. So we're going to pick the right colours and we're going to draw in the internal angles in the right colours. So here, this is almost an equilateral triangle, and these all have angles less than 90 degrees, so they're acute. So I've got that. I'm going to find now an obtuse angle. So this one's obtuse because it's more than 90 degrees, but not a straight line. And let's do another obtuse one. Obtuse one here. And actually there. So you will end up with something that looks a bit like this, but all over. And therefore you can, let's find a right angle. Definitely did some. Now right angles, don't do a semicircle, do a square, the two sides of a square. Okay. And that different. So you're going to end up with a beautifully coloured picture. And then what we could do is we could add some circles and things, just like Kandinsky did. We can add some circles and things to really brighten up. But I would add the circles where there is no colour for the from the angles, okay? And then you're going to end up with a beautiful piece of artwork, hopefully. Mine's coming along nicely. And you can post that on portfolios, okay? So it's art and maths today, and we are just recapping on angles. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, and English is on there, and I'll see you tomorrow for more maths.